Want to know how to change tempo of your audio in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And once you've done that, make sure you import any file that you like. Just simply hit towards file and select import and import any audio file. Now once it's imported, just simply double click on it to select the entire audio file so that the effect moves on to the entire one. Once you are done with it, on the top navigation bar you should be seeing effect. Either hover on it or select it if it doesn't happen. And here you should be seeing pitch and tempo. Just simply select it, and here you can see change tempo on the third line right here. Just simply select it. Now there are two ways you can do it. I think just simply slide the slider for easiness and change the percentage just like this, or just change the BPM from the estimated BPM to the BPM that you want. And once you're done with it, just simply select apply and you're good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.